Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete role on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First, click here, now click settings, and now as you see here you will find roles. Click on it and click here. Now here as you see you will find delete role. Click on it like this and now click remove. That's it, it will be removed. And that's how to delete any role on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.